Are you wearing these boots to look taller than me?
I am taller than you.
Sure, sorry.
But do you know why I wear boots? Because they are timeless. They scream commitment, unlike sneakers that are like situationships.
Commitment और तुम थोड़ा contradictory नहीं हो गया?
I commit to not committing, which is technically a commitment.
Shut up. Okay, little bet. Race me to the cafe and lose a iced coffee.
What do you have in store? One life away we can't explore, but I don't want to get away.
I won. I slowed myself down so that you wouldn't embarrass yourself.
Maybe you just wanted more time running next to me.
No. So, what are we now? Boots or sneakers?
Sneakers are built to run, while boots are built to stay.
So, is this why you lost the race?
Winning doesn't matter. Staying with you does.
So, you're saying we are boots?
I'm just saying I don't want to run from things before staying from. Are where are you going?
To get my boots?